Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about the benefits of push-ups and why they are important for our body and how they influence our body. Push-ups are a popular exercise for strengthening the core and upper body. Many people incorporate push-ups into their regular exercise routine. The benefits of daily push-ups include improved muscle mass and cardiovascular health. Push-ups are an effective workout that can target multiple muscle groups, providing many health benefits with few serious risks. While most people think about push-ups for their chest, they are an effective whole-body exercise. They are particularly good at working out the following muscle groups: triceps and biceps, pectoral muscles, shoulders, lats, latissimus dorsi muscles, located on your back. Push-ups can also help with that elusive six-pack, as long as you do them correctly. Benefits of doing push-ups. 1. Increased joint support. Benefits of push-ups include increased joint support, muscle tone, and strength. Push-ups are particularly effective at strengthening the muscles around the shoulder joints. The muscles and tendons in the shoulder area are responsible for keeping the upper arm bone in the shoulder socket. 2. Muscle stretching for health and vitality. One of the most underrated benefits of doing push-ups is the stretch it provides to your biceps and back muscles. As you lower yourself to the floor, your back muscles are effectively stretched, and as you push yourself to the starting position, your biceps obtain a full stretch. 3. Improve your posture. Whether you sit at a computer all day or simply ignored the nagging recommendations from your mother or teachers, improper posture can destroy your health and comfort as you age. One of the most common reasons for a lack of proper posture is weak core muscles. 4. Prevent lower back injuries. There are few injuries as debilitating as a lower back injury. This essential part of your body supports practically every movement, so if it's damaged or injured, even the simplest of tasks can become excruciatingly painful. 5. Protect your shoulders from injury. One of the most debilitating and common injuries for older individuals is a rotator cuff injury. While the severity of this injury is based upon a host of unique circumstances, protecting this delicate part of your body must become a priority. 6. Enhance your cardiovascular system. As stated earlier, push-ups are classified as a compound exercise as it calls upon multiple muscle groups. When you simultaneously engage large muscle groups, your heart must work harder to deliver oxygen-rich blood to muscle tissue. Ultimately, this activity results in an effective cardiovascular exercise, which supports heart health and promotes the reduction of stored body fat. However, practicing push-ups every day does come with some risks. These include lower back pain, wrist pain, and elbow injury. People can reduce these risks by learning the proper technique for the push-up variations they want to incorporate. Thank you for watching this video.